Okay guys, my babe's in here and cooking crock-pot meal. It's going on right there. And I've got to fix the toilet again. So my toilet's not working. These duct valves are a pain in the butt. But yeah, I've got a whole supply of them, so just in case. Okay, so I have 2 duct valves. I got 4 left, so I may have to get some more on order. I seem to go through about, I'd say about 2 duct valves every 3 months. Now this rear head's right here. Got the generator on. Cloudy, supposed to rain. We're still recovering from Hurricane Melissa. And yeah, we're just not making any power. So, the toilet is under this thing right here. I just took the screws out. And there it is. So, all I have to do is take off that side, take that out, replace the duct valves, and good to go. Okay, got new duct valves in there, and I'm ready to stick this back on. That just goes down there in that hole. Really simple. Okay, so we got the duct valve replaced outside. Now let's see. Press the button. Oh wow, a lot of pressure there. Sounds like an airplane. Okay guys, Babe's over here checking on her crock-pot meal, and we're gonna have strawberry drink. She's gonna have rum. I'm gonna have vodka because I still have some of that left. But
I have frozen strawberries, so I'm like,
it'll be our ice cubes.
our ice cube maker stopped working, so I'm gonna use them as ice cubes.
Yeah, our ice maker may have about 2 years. It still moves, but it just can't figure itself out.
It's probably clogged, or you know, we've noticed that after 2 years, anything that's electronic, like all our gear is just shut down. And we're over here in the DR, and it's really hard to get things here. So it's like, so we're hanging on.
Oh yeah, we're hanging
with
on.
our old equipment.
But I'm gonna watch this girl make us some drinks. Okay, there's our frozen strawberries.
Got a hammer?
Yes, I do. Okay, got a full hammer.
Just trying to break off some little strawberries. I think I got it. Yeah, we got some. For one,
Okay, I gotta do dishes.
my husband didn't drink all the way last night.
Oh,
So his has already got drink in it.
yay.
If I had a blender, I would be blending this up into like a smoothie. So basically, I'm just gonna put it, and they're gonna get soggy,
Mm-hmm.
but they're good to eat after that because they're like full of, you know, yummies.
Oh yeah.
I'll put some in there. Hey.
Getting you a double shot.
No. I only like to pour it up to here,
Mm-hmm.
or else I spill it everywhere. So then I pour it up to there, and then I just pour a little bit of that. So that's a full shot.
Yeah, it's a full shot. Okay, so we're gonna have a few drinks on the back deck before this rain comes.
We'll see.
Okay guys, my babe has finished the dinner. Look at this.
Yeah.
Yeah, right there.
It's shredded.
It is shredded. And
What? Did you turn on that?
I did
I
for a
am
minute.
not gonna listen to that.
I'll turn it off.
He was all like, "Oh, we're not gonna have enough power." I'm like, "It's almost done."
Yeah. I made water today, and so we were a little low on power, and we were running the crock-pot all day,
I'm
but
gonna start calling you Nolan.
yeah, our son just moved.
Freaks out about everything. And
Yeah.
he gets it from this one.
Yeah, he does, so. but I'll turn that generator off.
Yes, please.
Okay, so I had to change the filters on our water maker. Do this about every 1-2 weeks, and we're running low now, so we've only got a little bit time left here in the DR, but let me show you what we got left. So this is how many filters we have left, so I'm gonna have to pick up some more. We had 2 of these each, 20 and 5. Alrighty then, now they're all tight, and that's our 5 and our 20 right there. Now let's fill them up with water. Okay, to fill these up with water, I'm just going to loosen this up right here. Turn on our water. And you'll see I'm filling up. It's on its clean cycle right now, so. Okay, and this is the great thing about Seawire Pro is they have that the valve that will allow it to clean even when it's set to pressure. Okay, now our filters are changed. Now we can go to town. My wife's gonna get some gelatin and stuff. Hopefully we can find it. She's gonna make some gummies. That'd be nice. Okay, guys, before we go to town, Domingo stopped by, and if you're in Luperon, he'll get your hole cleaned up really good for you. It's just hook him up. You can find him on WhatsApp, right?
Yes, I'm on the group. I'm on the cruises group,
Yeah.
Pack group.
You're on the Rat Pack.
Yes.
So you can look him up on the Rat Pack and get your hole cleaned, okay? So now we gotta get to town. Thank you so much.
My pleasure, sir.
Oh,
Always
yes,
a pleasure.
yes, sir. Okay. Boat haul looks good. Now we're heading to town.
It's spraying out here. Take a shower and then, you come out here and you're just like, what's the point?
But it is drier today. So, and yeah, I have my digging load up. We're going to go pick up some fuel. I've got the fuel cans back there. And get some gelatin, hopefully. And yeah, make some jello.
That's not why we're going into town.
Jello shots.
No. We actually got to get money for our mooring.
Yeah.
Because we just had our hole cleaned, so
And
we're
fuel.
out of money. So yeah.
Yeah, let's get in town. Okay, we got our gasolina, my babe, and now we're gonna go see if we can get some gelatin. The only thing is, I can't walk on the sidewalk with the wagon full of gas. Too many holes and stuff. Okay, no gelatin here.
Just jello.
Just jello. So
All about daisies. There's a bee.
there's a bee.
I got to go.
There's a few bees. No gelatin.
Not gonna be able to find it until we go to Crock-Pot.
Probably. Okay guys, we made it back to the boat. Didn't find any gelatin.
Oh man. What's that?
Looks like a piece of paper.
Okay. I don't have my glasses on. From up here it looks like dog hair.
No, paper. But yeah, so just gonna have I guess, in the night with some sundowners. And
You got me when I was in my old clothes. I looked all nice.
she did. I got you in your new clothes.
Looked all nice and dressed up. Now I'm in my boat clothes.
Boat clothes. But yeah, so we'll eventually, I guess we'll go to Port Plata and find some gelatin. We'll make them
Did find honey.
yeah. So this is our haul.
I wanted some raisins,
And we got eggs and vegetables.
eggs, and of course we have veggies.
And I don't know, the eggs in Spanish are huevos and balls in Spanish are huevos. So we got plata of balls. We got our vegetables back from the store. My babe's got them all rinsed off.
Well, I do a vinegar soak, They say to do that for bacterial reasons because, you know, we are in a third world country and our systems are not used to it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it lacks the pesticides we crave.
The first few months that we were here, though, we didn't do it.
Mm-hmm.
And honestly, we were probably making ourselves a little sick. Hopefully we don't have, I don't think we have worms.
No, I don't think we have worms.
Anyways, it's just a little bit of water, a little bit of, you do it for about 15 minutes, but honestly I had these in there for about 30 minutes.
We're making pickles.
40 minutes. They kind of smell pickly. Oops.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that. This is like, look at that. That's an organic cucumber. In the United States, they would never sell this in a grocery store because it doesn't look good.
Mm-mm.
But they taste good.
And there's our puppy. A lot of sunlight, so.
Carrots look like this here. Really, really big and fat. You cannot find a skinny carrot for your life or you. They're all fat.
Mm-hmm.
You don't want to know what that looks like, but anyways.
That's not what she said, huh? Okay guys, so we're doing work at the north. Look at that menu, it's beautiful. Oh yeah, there's Leah. And now we're gonna walk back to the boat. I got my white baby's gonna make some pizza tonight. But yeah, margaritas at the north, awesome. Okay guys, my babe is making a pizza at home. She found this stick of meat.
I don't know what it is. But I'm making a kind of alternate pizza crust. So it calls for cream cheese, egg, some Parmesan cheese, some seasonings. We're gonna try it.
And some meat stick.
That's right now.
Okay, my babe bought that. It was that much. 1,600. Okay, my babe is ready to go home and make her pizza.
I'm gonna try it. Hopefully it's not a big failure. I don't think so. I'm gonna use the recipe. You know how me, I like to make my own recipes, but this one is you gotta do the proportions correctly. So we picked up Parmesan for $10. Picked up cream cheese for $11. DR is very inexpensive unless you go
American.
Which sometimes I need that. Just a little bit.
Yep.
Parmesan.
My wife is making cheese pizza crust.
I don't really know what I'm doing.
She got 2 eggs, Parmesan.
No, I'm using a recipe. Okay, 8 ounces of cream cheese, soft. 2 eggs. It says 1/4 of a cup of Parmesan. And some seasoning. So I'm going to use whatever this seasoning is, which is garlic and onion and whatever. So, that's what we're going to do.
Okay, my babe, she made that
That's
pizza
the
crust.
crust.
Oh, that looks good. And she has another one in the oven right there. And she's cutting up condiments.
Well, that's the crust. You gotta put stuff on it.
Yeah.
So, I don't know. I found this in town. Seasoned tomato sauce.
Famos.
I don't know. I could make my own, but I didn't. I didn't tonight. I didn't.
That was my beef stick right there. It's
I don't even know what that is.
pepperoni like.
I have no idea.
Okay, that's what my pizza's looking like before. Okay, my babe said I needed mozzarella, so that's the new toppings. Okay, the pizza is done. That really looks good.
It's not really. I don't like the cheese.
You don't like the cheese?
The cheese ain't good.
It's done for me.
Then good, because mine ain't.
So I have to go back to the north and get some more wiring done. But yeah, this is going to be the end of my video, and hopefully you like it. Subscribe, give us feedback, all that crap, and y'all take care.